berries right from the farm plant to my mouth. So I have a whole plant here, these golden berries. For those of you who don't know how it looks like, this is how it looks like. Right. So when they are green, they look like this. These are not ready for eating and these are poisonous. Do not eat them like this. You have to wait for them to turn color to yellow. This amazing golden mustard yellow. Yeah. You have to wait for them to turn to this color. So we've had so much in this farm that we are so overwhelmed by them. So that is why you can see they are all fallen down. These were ones. First place my harvest over there. It's not even harvest. It's just, see, literally. Yeah. Dudu. And if you're not going to consume them immediately, please leave them in their pouches. Where? Yeah, don't come. There are dudus over there. You see? Those dudus. Are they? Where are the dudus? Yeah, these ones. These ones. They're called blackjacks.
Blackjacks.
Yeah. Give this to auntie to wash for you.
Oh, my fruits.
Yeah.
I love fruits.
You love fruit? Sorry. Oh, sorry. Pick up. Awesome. Yeah. There's some more. Good girl. Daddy miti shamba. Yeah. That's funny. Hello miti shamba. Okay. Here we go. I'm not going. Hiyo nayo. Lakini ingekupeleka majuu. Ingenipeleka majuu. Ingekuwa hapa BSc nasi ninawaambia steps to follow if you want to
Wash your hands.
You don't know what? See, you're living your dream like you wanted to be a lecturer and here you are. Ama it's not what you thought it was. You didn't think you'd be sleeping at midnight marking. Wafelisha as in okay. Anko alisema hakuna mwalimu ufelisha, ni bidii yako.
By the way, ni bidii ya mwanafunzi, sio?
Ndio anko alisema.
And the things alisema lini?
Time ya Bario. Ati kuna msichana alipatana naye akamwambia, "You failed me accounting." How can a lecturer fail a student? It is what you wrote.
Na by the way, unajua walikuwa wameboycott your exam. Ni chuna hii.
Why? Because they were not prepared.
That they were not prepared. Na mimi si nilikwambia sikuwa kwa timetable. Wanataka nikae shule hadi lini?
Hata humongous one.
Wanataka nikae shule hadi lini? Ndio ati niwapatie exam at their own place.
is it? There are so many. Ati, where is it? Where are they? Oh God.
They're in their natural habitat.
Yeah, so we need to spray our sukuma wiki. Look. To spray. It's long overdue. Lakini hizo ziko sawa, though you to put the sticks on them like I have done with those two. So like this one, they are sharing three plants per stick. And then there's this one, which is not very straight, it's slanted. I need to spray dawa ya mites because this yellowing of the leaves tells you a story in your kitchen garden. So if you see this yellowing, yeah, for me it tells me a story, but I am not very worried because I transplanted this tomato. It is not the same grade as these ones. Hii ilikuwa tu imemea kwa shamba. I transplanted and brought it here. Same as I think this one. Yeah, no, is it? No, same as which one? Same as this one. Yeah, so you can see it's also kind of yellowish. So I'll observe those two and see whether it's really something I need to worry about that can spread to the other tomato plants. But for right now, I want to spray this kitchen garden. That is why I have harvested the greens. I want to spray it with dawaya aphids, mites and caterpillars, and that will be for the entire farm. So that dawa I'm going to spray is going to be shared by the tomatoes, the kale, the collard greens, even the capsicum. I'm going to spray even the cabbage that I've just planted. I am going to spray. So let's do this.